In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove phone from Shopify contact form. We'll do this by customizing a form in your Shopify admin so the phone field isn't included, and I'll show you exactly where that setting lives so you can manage it with confidence. First, open your Shopify admin. From the sidebar, head to Home so you're starting from a clean, familiar view. Next, go to Apps. In the Apps area, use the search to find Shopify Forms, then open it. If it isn't installed yet, go ahead and install it. This is Shopify's own form tool, and it makes field control straightforward. Once you're in, click Create Form. For the display type, choose the option that shows the form on top of a page. This floating overlay style is easy to spot and test. Give your form a clear internal name, such as Contact Us, so you can identify it later, and click Create. Before adjusting fields, take a quick pass through the visual settings so the form matches your brand. Tweak the overlay color so the background and contrast feel right. Open the teaser settings if you want a small prompt that encourages clicks. Set the position on your store so the floating form appears where you expect. Bottom right is common. Update the title so visitors instantly know it's a contact form. Now let's control the fields themselves. Open the Form section, then go to Fields. This is where you decide exactly what appears. If you already see a phone field and you don't want it, remove or disable it here so only the essentials, like name, email, and message, remain. If the phone field isn't listed, you're all set. It won't appear on the form. To show you where the phone option lives, click Add New Field, choose Phone, and then click Done. If you added it by mistake, or you're confirming its location, you can immediately remove it again from the same fields list. The key idea is that anything visible here is what your customers will see, so keep only the fields you truly need. Click the highlighted preview area to double-check how the form looks without the phone field. When everything matches your intent, click Save. That's it. Your contact form will now display without requesting a phone number. Pro tip: preview your storefront in a private or incognito window to ensure browser caching doesn't show an older version of the form. Also, send yourself a quick test submission to confirm you're capturing the information you want, minus the phone number.